Hello and welcome to Garden Fun Times. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and laziest way to grow sprouts with 100% success rate. Number one, you're going to get a pastrami sandwich from the store and you're going to eat the sandwich and then you're going to have the container and put a paper towel in it and fold the paper towel in half and add some water to the paper towel so the paper towel is like soaked. Okay, that's your watering system. You want it nice and wet. Next, you're going to take your seeds. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link below, but it's like a salad mix. And these are my sprouts that I'm growing. And then you pour. You can measure if you want to get really technical about how much you're growing, but I don't measure. I just do it for fun, and there's a lot of seeds in that mix, so I think we'll be okay. You pour the water in first because then the seeds stick to the water on the paper towel, but I'm still moving them around, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and then I got seeds on my fingers for moving them around. And then this is what happens when you add more water. Because you want the paper towel like soaked. But then it moves all the seeds. Oopsies. So then you try to move it with your finger. But then they just stick to your finger. And then the most important part is the lid. Okay, so you can snap the lid on or you can just set the lid on, whatever works for you. Okay, day 3, I covered it because that way they think they're like sleeping underneath soil, and they really popped up. So you can see we got tails. I'm happy. Smell check. Make sure everything smells good. It might still smell a little bit like pastrami. So make sure you clean it out pretty good. Or whatever sandwich you got. Okay, day 4. I didn't add water. I didn't do anything. It's really, they know what to do. And I'm happy with the results. No work. Just checking on them. Okay, I'm adding a little bit more water because I'm a paranoid overwaterer. But, I mean, you can't overwater in this situation. Okay, I think I'm saying this is day 5. What do we got? Oh, yeah. They're looking good. And I believe since they're green, I took the towel off. And I'm actually taking some out to sample because, you can't wait. And they were really, really good. Great dish for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And this is just after 5 days of literally doing nothing. I only added a little bit more water, but see the lid, you got to keep the lid on. See all that condensation? Okay, so this is day 7. Okay. And then I said, I'm just going to let the rest grow in the sun there. And then they died. So this is why we keep the lid on, because or else it gets too dry and then you actually have to work. So try it and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching Garden Fun Times.